Hi everyone, my name is Sevda and today I'm going to teach you some phrases in Azerbaijani if you ever decide to visit. Watch till the end because at the end I'm going to give you a good tip on how to make the best out of your language learning. Get started. So the first phrase is hello. We say salam. Salam. Salam. Salam. Salam. Salam. The next one is goodbye. We will say sahol. Sahol. Sahol. Sahol. Sahol. Sahol. Sahol. This one is a double win because we use the same one for thank you. So if you want to say thank you, you will also say sahol. Sahol. Sahol. Sahol. Our next one is yes. Bali. Bali. Bali. Bali. Bali. This is a formal way of saying yes, and this is the one that you want to use, but you will also hear people saying ha. Ha. And that also means yes, but this is an informal way of saying yes, almost like yeah in English. Ha. So two ways. Bali, ha. Our next one is no. No is yoh. Yoh. Yoh. Yoh. Yoh. Next phrase we're going to learn is please, and this one is a little longer in Azerbaijani. It's zahmet olmasa. Zahmet olmasa. Zahmet olmasa. Zahmet olmasa. Zahmet olmasa. It literally means if it's not difficult for you. If it's not difficult for you, that's how zahmet olmasa is literally translated. Our next one is excuse me. So if you would like to get someone's attention in Azerbaijani, you will say BAŞLAYIN. BAŞLAYIN. BAŞLAYIN. BAŞLAYIN. BAŞLAYIN. Even though when you spell it, you see that it's spelled BAŞLAYIN, when we say it fast, so it sounds like BAŞLAYIN. BAŞLAYIN. Our next phrase is do you speak English? İngilizce bilirsiz. İngilizce bilirsiz. İngilizce bilirsiz. Bilirsiz. Do you speak English? İngilizce bilirsiz. Lots of people might be able to speak English, so it doesn't hurt to ask. Maybe you will be able to switch to English and just have a quick conversation. Next, we're going to learn a couple phrases for shopping, because when you are in Baku or somewhere else in Azerbaijan, you will probably buy some souvenirs, you will go to the store, we have lots of good fruit and veggies, and we have you will go, when you go outside, you will just see a lot of fruit and veggie stands, and you can just talk to the so you can just talk to the seller and ask them how much something is. So how much will be NEÇƏYEDİR. NEÇԵYEDİR. NEÇԵYEDİR. NEÇԵYEDİR. And the last R is sometimes you will not hear that pronounced, because when we speak fast, the last R's a lot of times are not pronounced. NEÇƏYEDİR. For example, how much are the apples? ALMA NEÇƏYEDİR. ALMA NEÇƏYEDİR. ALMA NEÇƏYEDİR. ALMA NEÇԵYEDİR. You might not know a lot of names for fruit and veggies, so you can just point to something and say NEÇԵYEDİR. Or you can say how much is this, which will be bu NEÇİYEDİR. Bu NEÇİYEDİR. Bu NEÇİYEDİR. Bu NEÇİYEDİR. Bu NEÇİYEDİR. Also, if you go to a smaller shop, you might need to talk to the seller and ask them to weigh something for you or to give something for you. And for that one, you can use verin. Verin. It basically means give me, but it's not rude. like in English, it's not rude. For example, you can say, 1 kilo verin. Can I have, in English it will be, can I have 1 kilo? But it literally means, give me 1 kilo. 1 kilo verin. Verin. Okay, next we're going to talk about restaurants. You will go to restaurants and you will find great food and great deals. So here are some phrases for you to survive at an Azerbaijani restaurant. First, we're going to learn how to say do you have. Do you have is easy. It's var, var. So you can say, do you have Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi var. Wi-Fi var. You can say, do you have water? Su var. Su var. Also, at the end of your pleasant experience at an Azerbaijani restaurant, you will want to have your bill. So, can I have my bill? HESABI OLAR. HESABI OLAR. HESABI OLAR. HESABI OLAR. One more thing to go with the restaurant theme, we're going to learn how to say where. You might want to ask, where is the bathroom, for example. Where is HARDADIR? HARDADIR. Again, the last R is almost not pronounced. HARDADIR. Where is the bathroom? TUALET HARDADIR. TUALET. TUALET HARDADIR. TUALET HARDADIR. TUALET HARDADIR. That's all for today, and now I have a couple of tips how to make the best out of these videos. So I have worked as a language teacher for many years. So here's the tip for this video. I would suggest that you would watch this video a few times and listen to the way I pronounce the words before you actually try to pronounce the words. Because when we try to pronounce foreign words right away, we might pronounce them the wrong way and they're going to be stuck in your head the wrong way. So it's so much better to listen a few times before you actually pronounce the word. And once you can hear it well, then you can start and try and pronounce it. So this is my tip for today, and please subscribe, put thumbs up, comment below, and let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make next. Bye!